Hi and welcome to day 22. So today is all about the kitchen sink. So the kitchen sink tends to be the place where we dump the dirty dishes and we don't really think about it, but it does make life harder. If your sink is always full of dirty dishes, it makes it harder to wash foods, wash your hands, just general day-to-day prep and cleaning and things like that. So one habit I want you to get into is always having a clear sink. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, if you've got any dirty pans or anything like that, is get them out the way. Load up your dishwasher, actually get the dish soap out and wash them and dry them and put them away. Whatever you need to do to clear out your sink. And then we're just going to clean it. And my multi-purpose vinegar cleaning spray, that's all I do. Just spritz over the entire thing and then wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Make sure you get into any nooks and crannies, wipe the handles, and lift up anything, any soap or dish soap that you have to get underneath it, and then wipe down the bowls. And so it's super fast. You can see I'm done in about 30 seconds, a minute. My sink is now clean. Now, if I really wanted to make it shiny, you can actually use a furniture wax. I love this one. It's a lavender scented one. And this makes the sink super shiny, and it also helps it repel water. So this is just a beeswax furniture polish that I can then just apply to the metal. You'll only want to do this on a metal sink, not on a ceramic one. But if you put it on there and then buff it off, and we can do the same on here, it brings it to a nice shine. But also what's going to happen is it's going to repel the water. So it's just going to help keep the sink a bit cleaner, a little bit longer. So if you have time and want to do that, then that's a really nice way to get your sink looking great. But you don't have to. The important thing is just that you keep the dishes out the sink. They need to go straight into the dishwasher, or they need to be dealt with. Don't let them pile up. Every single day you need to be doing the dishes of some type. You can't let things pile up, because that's when we get overwhelmed, we get stressed, and that's not what our homes are about. Our homes are about relaxation and enjoying ourselves. So today, go tackle your kitchen sink, get it clean and tidy, and I will see you tomorrow.